Good morning, classmate. How is everyone? Well, I'm with you with a new chapter. A very interesting chapter, washing clothes with mom. Okay, before I start the chapter, let me ask you, what are the things you helped? What are the things you helped with your mom or with your dad? The things like washing clothes, cooking, cleaning, watering the plants. What are the things you do? Okay, tell me honestly, are you allowed to do? Have you grown up so much at the tender age of 10 years that your mom allows you to help? Send me your answers by evening. I'll come to know your reactions. And today, let us see how beautiful it is when we help mom washing clothes. The author says, I was raised in a family of 14 people in a home with only one bathroom. Needless to say, scheduling bath time in my home was more than a simple task. See, you can imagine a family of 14 members has to adjust with only one bathroom. How difficult it is. How Herculean a task it must have been to have the number for everyone for taking bath. That was the problem for the author also. Continuing further, when I was 7 years old, I learned the only way to get sufficient bath time was to wake up before my siblings. My mother gave me an old wind up clock so I could wake up early. In earlier days, in my days, in author days, we didn't have alarm in mobile phones. In fact, mobile phones were not there when we were young children. We had a wind clock. We used to wind it up and set the time for the clock so that it rings at the set time and it wakes us up. That used to be the, and before that, people used to wake up seeing the stars. In my father's time, even that wind clock was not there. So during those days, people used to see the stars, the location of the stars, the direction, and they used to guess, okay, it must be somewhere around 4 o'clock in the morning I should get up. In our days, we were fortunate to have those winding clocks. We used to wind, set the time, and get up when it rang. So that was my childhood, and in your childhood, of course, you have all these modern gadgets to wake you up, and still you keep sleeping, I know, till 8, 9 a.m. At least during the lockdown time. No, boys and girls, get up early. Don't spoil your habits. And let's continue the lesson further. The first morning I used the alarm. I woke up at 5:30, walked downstairs as quickly as possible, and had a bath. While I bathed, I heard Dad staring in the bedroom which was adjacent to the bathroom. After I completed my bath, I was going back upstairs when I heard a buzzing in the basement. I tiptoed to the basement landing and looked around the corner of the stairs. Mom was bent over our dryer, pulling clothes out and setting them on the table. She was singing. Without turning around, she said, "What are you doing?" "I heard buzzing," I said. "What are you doing?" "Washing clothes," she replied. "This early?" "4 days a week," she replied. Mom explained that she woke at 4 o'clock every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday to wash clothes. She explained it was necessary to keep us in clean clothes. "Dad is up too," I said. "I know. He does paperwork while I do laundry. It's the only time the house is quiet enough to concentrate." "Why were you singing?" I asked. "I might as well enjoy my work. No use being upset." Mom still used an old ringer washer, but she was absolutely thrilled that she and Dad had scrapped together enough money to get a clothes dryer. She wouldn't have to hang clothes outside during winter anymore. It was quite an old-fashioned dryer, not like the modern ones we have today. And the lint filter had to be cleaned after every load. See, this was an old-fashioned gadget. Nowadays, in modern times, in your times, you have everything automatic. आजकल तो वॉशिंग मशीन, उसी में ड्रायर, उसी में आयरन भी हो जाता है. लेकिन ये तो वो दिन थे जब ऑथर साहब छोटे बच्चे थे, और हमारे टाइम पे तो वो भी नहीं था जब हम छोटे बच्चे थे. तो स्लोली एंड स्टडीली थिंग्स आर चेंजिंग, एंड थिंग्स आर चेंजिंग फॉर द गुड. So your times are different, but I still rate our generation is the luckiest because we saw everything. We saw washing clothes with that thappi and to the modern gadgets where everything is automatically done. अब आने वाली जनरेशन ने वो थप्पी से धोना नहीं देखा, तो आप उतने लक्की नहीं हो. और पहले वाली जनरेशन ने, हमसे पहले वाली जनरेशन ने मॉडर्न गैजेट्स नहीं देखे. हमारी जनरेशन ऐसी जिसने दोनों चीज देखी, थप्पी टू ऑटोमेटिक हमने देखा. टीचिंग में भी तो मैं यही कहता हूं, वी आर द लकीएस्ट पीपल because we saw तख्ती पट्टी टू टच स्क्रीन. आपने तख्ती पट्टी नहीं देखी, टच स्क्रीन तो देख लिया. हमसे पहले वालों ने, they were not lucky enough to see touch screen, they saw only तख्ती पट्टी. We are the luckiest people, we have seen everything. We started the journey from तख्ती पट्टी. We have come to touch screen, to online teaching, and as far as washing of clothes goes, we started from that thapki ऐसे धोते थे पहले, and we have come to everything being done automatically. The clothes being washed, dried up and then ironed, everything automatic. So we are the luckiest people, you are not. Okay, let's continue further. Can I help? I asked. Sure. Mom started another load in the dryer and placed a large towel on the basement floor in front of the dryer. Why don't you lie down and catch a nap until we are ready for another load? आगे क्या होता है? Whether ऑथर ने मम्मी की हेल्प करी या नहीं करी, की तो कितनी की, ये जानेंगे कल वीडियो नंबर 2 में। तब तक आप करते रहिए वर्ड मीनिंग्स ऑफ पार्ट 1। अंडरलाइन ऑल द वर्ड मीनिंग्स, राइट डाउन देम इन योर notebooks and learn them. Tomorrow we shall meet again. Till then, it's goodbye.